to be fair to Nyesom Wike, he has his own shortcomings. But when it comes to taking decision, Wike is number one. Yes, Wike may be corrupt. Wike may be so arrogant. Wike may be autocratic, which I don't like. But when it comes to work, Wike will work. And when Wike give you work, he'll follow you up to make sure that you give him. That's why you see all these things. Unlike the previous ministers we are having, which this is like the worst of it, the last one, whose eyeglass is bigger than his achievement, Bello, Mohammed Bello. I'm saying that one is also a disaster. Was also a disaster. You just wasted time for 8 years. So if you come less than 2 years, Wike came, you see things working. I'm saying Wike will give you a contract. He will not go and sit down. He will follow you up. So I give it to him. In his administration, Wike came, all those issues that has to do with the CFO. He signs CFO, give people CFO. If you pay a CFO, they give you a CFO. So I don't know whether you are getting what I'm saying. So these are the things, if you should ask me, Wike has been doing, which is normal. So in his administration, I'm talking about, I'm not working there. I'm not working in FCDA. Though the people that are working there are not speaking good about him. They say that the only person he's working with is working with only director land, director development control. Every other person don't work with them, don't even know that they exist. That one is not my business. I hear them saying. They said, somebody said, I don't know the person who is my mother's friend. What I need is bread. So if you should ask me, I'm not working FCDA. I'm seeing Wike is working. So the roads, there are some roads I can tell you. I hear them saying he has been building, working, commissioning, flagging off. That one is on that. The people that they don't have a CFO of their land, I see that they have gotten their distance. And they also warn those, you cannot acquire land. You don't want to build, you are waiting for it to be appreciated. We will revoke it and give those who are leaders how development. And some other things. When he came, there was a issue of kidnapping. He came and gave it he gave a CP then to marching order. And those guys, most of them were there, we are arrested, though they have started coming back again. That's my assessment to him. But if you should ask me, he has been the best among all. Yeah, they are in the what do you call it? In the community of the blind, one eye man becomes the king. Do you get what I'm saying? So that is what I can. I have some other things. The way he talks, the way he addresses issues, the way he dominates, the way those ones are secondary. On FCT administration, with the one I'm seeing, Wike is doing well.